What's up, guys? This is Trash Trackers here. Today we're going to be checking out an unboxing of 10 new First Gear garbage cans. These just got released. Let's take a look and stay tuned to the end of the video where I show you my full collection of First Gear cans. Alright, let's start off with the least exciting ones, to you guys at least. Just got a pair of regular blue ones. I have a bunch of these already. Nice to have like 2 more. They were on sale. Let's put them back here. Then we've got 2 WM ones. And here's what I'm sure you've all been waiting for. The 3 newest arrival colors. We got black with yellow lid, blue with light blue lid, and a brown with orange lid. Let's go ahead and open these up. Alright, so here they are. Got the orange and brown. These just got released recently. It's kind of a tennis sanitation kind of color. Here is the black and yellow. Love these. Then we have the blue with light blue lid. And the regular blue and the green. Let's check out all of my bins together. Alright guys, so here's all my First Gear mini bins. These are the ones with the different colored lids. These are all blues. I got 2 white, 2 completely green, 2 WM ones, blue and brown. I have one of my Corrado cans in here. I have 3 in total. 4 WM cans, 6 green ones, 5 extra blues, and 1 tan one. So this is all of my First Gear mini bins together. In total of them, there is 44. That's going to do it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up rating, and I'll see you guys in the next video.